you can have a seat right there real quick. I just gotta open up. Yes, sir, yes, sir. Yeah, early as hell today, huh, boy? Well, I know you want one of those top flight cuts, boy. Best cuts in the world, man. Don't mind me, boy. You know everybody got black forces. I got all black vans, bro. You feel me? Everybody be expecting old black force energy, you know all that. I know I step in vans, you know what I'm saying? Them my yompers right there. I'm gonna be right with you, boy. Hey, you got a light on you real quick? You got a light on? It's alright, I got one on. Hey man, I be crazy, but they get the job done. I'll step outside and hit this show real quick. Good? I ain't gonna be long. I ain't gonna be. I promise I'll be right back. Down here, my Joe. What you trying to listen to, boy? Alright, that's my little brother right there, boy. He go hard. Alright, bro, what you want? Fade, to fade. Alright, bro.
For my baby mama, for my baby mama, for my baby mama. She a dusty ass bitch be broke all summer. Hey, that bitch be broke all summer, dirty bitch.
You look? Yeah, I'll just pull it to the shop. Yeah, go ahead and pull up. I'm about to cut the young buck out right now. Go ahead and pull up. I'm gonna be here at 7:30. I scratched at 6:30. I'm gonna be here at 6:30. Go ahead and bring your ass up here. Damn, my bad, bro. My bad, bro. Everybody don't want to cut today. They waiting on me to get to the shop. Let's go ahead and get you to get.